You can add background styles to the header to give it a more distinctive look from the rest of your content, or help it blend with the rest of your site's branding. To add a background style, open the global header settings, then click Style. Click the drop-down menu at the top of the editor to choose a background. Choose from solid, gradient, theme, or dynamic. Depending on the style that you choose, customize the other settings that appear, such as colors, blurs, borders, or a drop shadow. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.